So a lot of people probably come to the studio one time, do a photo shoot, like this is their first time ever doing a photo shoot at the studio, come to the studio one time, probably never come back because they couldn't see through their screen in the studio when their f-stop is turned all the way up and their ISO is turned all the way down because you're using studio lights. So the fix for that is super easy and will change your life. Especially like if you're even in a nightclub or somewhere dark and you can't see through the screen because you're using flash, this is the fix. So what you do is you go to menu, exposure simulation, it's enabled. So pretty much what it's doing is showing you what's the image that would look like with the light. But since it's so dark, you can't see anything until the flash hits. So what you do is hit that button for enable and go down to disable. And now you can see through the screen so you can line up your shot. Perfect.
And you hit that.
And for your Sony users, same thing. You hit menu, but on Sony it's called Live View Display. So you just turn the settings, you turn the effect off, and you can see through the screen.
Yep.
On a Sony, same thing, it's just named differently, is Live View Display. And you turn it off. And now you can see through the camera.
Yeah.
Boom. You hit menu and then you can find exposure simulation right there. So it's under the red and on a Canon. Hit disable and go out and now you can see through your camera.
So, right, sit down.
Okay.